So if that is your child, what are the things that you can do about it? One of the things that we think about with parenting is that we want our children, because they're on show socially, to be able to perform, and sometimes that can put pressure on the very shy child who by temperament is really struggling in that social space. So number one, step back. Don't force your child. If they're really struggling socially, start to close down what they're doing and give them opportunities to shine where they feel well supported. So it might be with your shy child that you rock up, you have practiced a way to get into a conversation, that you don't put your hand in the middle of the back and push them in there, that you allow them the warm-up time as well. That's pretty important for our children. And being respectful. Where is your child successful? Where do they like to be? Do more of that. Find a child that they really like, and maybe just do one small requirement. Like when we go in today, together we're going to say, hello, Grandma. And that helps the child. They feel supported now. They feel attached to you and they feel like they're not going to be forced. If they don't do it, that's quite okay. Practice it in the car on the way there. And so our shy little ones, we've really got to work hard at them, because we know that as they move forward into their adult lives, they're going to have to do job interviews. They're going to have to go to university. They're going to have to meet new people. It's a life skill. It is all right to be a shy person by nature. That's your temperament. That is all right. As long as you are able to do relationship forming, even if it's in a minimal context where, you have 3 or 4 really good friends, that's all right. But if your child is critically disabled by their shyness from joining in, then we know they're going to be missing out. So find those opportunities where they can be successful. Teach them the way to get into an interaction and support them by reducing the demand on that child and not adding to their anxiety.